Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Zoom to place and receive calls. The first thing you want to do is open up the Zoom application on your computer. That's the same application that you would normally use to attend video conference calls. When you're in here, you're going to want to sign in. You want to click on the icon that says SSO. That stands for Single Sign-On. So go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to sign in and go through Duo if you haven't done so before. Then you will eventually be presented with the Zoom Workplace screen. Okay, and then I want you to go ahead and click on Phone. From there, you can start to type in people's direct numbers or names, and they'll come up in the directory. And then you could go ahead and click on this blue button at the bottom to place calls. You'll be able to place calls from Zoom. You'll be able to receive calls from Zoom, all traditional phone calls, right from your computer. You can do the same thing from your cell phone as well. If you install the Zoom app on your cell phone and get to the login prompt, click SSO for single sign-on, just like we did. You'll be able to use Zoom on your cell phone again to place and receive calls. Hope you find that helpful.